Hello, I'm Ispandan Gaire, and today I would like to walk you through the development process of my project. This application was built with a focus on delivering a seamless user experience while maintaining a robust and scalable architecture. Okay. Firstly, let's explain what language I have choose in the front-end development. Language JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. In the backend, I choose PHP database as a MySQL, and I have let's move to the XAMPP control panel. I have already started my Apache server and my SQL server also. From here you can see, let's go to the Brave, my main, uh, where I have live this. This is my main websites I have developed as my project AI solution. The main project name AI solution is our project. Here I have kept this like a logo. Home services, portfolio, gallery, event, blog, reviews, contact, admin, login. This is the main navbar. You can see the home pages as well. Human intelligence expert, IT solution. This is the main as a heading to attract our clients. Consult an engineer. If somebody want to consult, they can click here. Then this will move to the contact us. From here they can fill up their information and submit that. After that submission, our admin, as example, you can take admin team will review that and call for this for their inquiry. This is I have shown here added here as our technical expertise web development. What we do, what this AI solution provide. AI solution lead engineer as a information to the client. What AI solution client says in the past. This is the review. Like this will shown in this website. From after clicking here submit review, this moves to the review pages. After From here anybody can review anything about the services. Once again, let's go to this is a human partnership philosophy as a shown. This is the main this is the footer. I have included about the AI solution, navigation, admin management. From here you can log into the page, you can log into the admin page. uh, I keep your contact of the company. Let's go to the services. Our services, our means this AI solution company services project. This all I have explained here. Portfolio. What this AI solution done in the past to the client with clients. What services they has provided. Here I have included in this portfolio. In the gallery, I have updated all the gallery, all the photo of the company staff. Uh, Company, interior design, network lab. Here, this is the event. What this AI solution done in the past. This is the event. Here will also come the upcoming events also. This is the blog. What the AI solution updated as what they have done, what they have seen. I have already show you this review. Let's go to the contact. Firstly, let's go to the review. If a client sent review like this, I will give 4 star. Good service. Okay, good service. Submit review. This review after submitting this will be shown. Let's once again let's go to the contact. I'm working on the this media network, so this will come automatically. Service inquiry, demo request. Anybody can choose anyone. If they want service inquiry, they can choose service inquiry. Development service inquiry they want. If they want demo request, they can click here. I will do this demo request. Okay, submit. This will soon. Let's go to the admin login. You have to give here admin user password. This is the main dashboard. This is the what I have already submitted as a client. Ispandan Gaire, me as a client. This one I have already saying you. I have requested for a demo request. After clicking here view, I will admin team will see this. After deleting this from the dashboard, that will be deleted. You can see here previous that was demo. This is inquiry which I have keep in the past 1 2 days ago. Let's go to the testimonial. What I have review as a client. If I click here approve, this is the UX I have updated here. This will let's go to the view site. In review, this will shown in the main pages after approving by admin. If admin do delete, delete, that means this can be deleted. Reject. In the main site, that will be removed. Okay, let's go to the contact and gallery to update UI UX for the information. Firstly, let's choose this image UI UX. I have chosen updated. This will soon. After that, let's do logout. Back to the public page, main page. Let's go to the gallery. I have updated this. This way this has been shown in this main pages. Let's go to the admin panel once again. If I give here wrong password, then what will happen? Invalid user or password shown. Okay, good. Admin 123 login. You can see here same as event article. You can do same as the gallery. After operating here, it will shown in the main site here. Portfolio gallery. Let's move to the my database where I have choose MySQL server as a database. You can look here testimonial. All client reviews will go to the database and so to the main website. Testimonial. Let's go to the ENQI inquiries execute. You can see here. Let's go to the GALLERY gallery, execute. You can see here. Okay. This is the main my project. So you can see this all. Thank you very much.